يعني بداية لليوم الرابع عشر على التوالي تخوض قطاع غزة حملة عسكرية واسعة النطاق من الجيش الإسرائيلي الذي ما زال يواصل شن غاراته الحربية وغاراته الجوية على عدة مناطق في قطاع غزة واستهداف المنازل المدنيين وإيقاع أكبر عدد ممكن من الضحايا في صفوف المدنيين.
No aid entered Gaza till now. The Egyptian side rehabilitated the roads of Rafah crossing since this morning, but a ceasefire between Hamas and Israel was not achieved, while the humanitarian crisis is deepening. Many human rights organizations and the UN asked for a humanitarian ceasefire as an essential step for the UN and other organizations to be able to start their mission in the Strip, and warned of the collapse of the healthcare system in Gaza.
Israeli Defense Minister Yoav Gallant said on Friday that Israel will aim to destroy Hamas. After that, it will create a new security regime in Gaza and create a new security reality for citizens of Israel. And Israel's defense ministry and military launched a plan to evacuate the residents of the northern city of Kiryat Shimona due to the escalating tensions along Israel's northern border. This is also the second time in less than a week that Israel evacuates citizens in northern border towns.
Large scales of rallies were held across Egypt on Friday to show solidarity with Palestinians in Gaza. Over the past week, Egypt has publicly criticized Israel, accusing Israel of trying to push Gaza's inhabitants onto Egyptian territory. In Turkey, where there is a 3-day mourning period for the victims of a Gaza hospital blast, thousands protested outside mosques in Istanbul and Ankara, denouncing Israel's actions in Gaza. Israel withdrew its diplomats from Turkey due to security concerns.